Hi family, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Have you been having issues with moisture retention or with length retention? Or have you been experiencing excessive hair breakage due to dryness? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all an African hair growth secrets that will help you retain length and also moisture, and then help you grow that luscious beautiful hair you've ever dreamt of. If that is what you like, please do well to press the red subscription button, and do not forget to press the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And before I continue, please do well to give this video a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Let's get started. As you can see from the pictures and the video I showed, you can see I've been able to retain length, and these ingredient here called shebe has been one of my secrets to length retention. Shebe is also known as what? Ewe ajekobale in the Yoruba language. It's a cardiac mixture of herbs. It's made primarily from the Croton grastissimus, also known as the lavender croton. It is also a shrub, and it is actually grown all over Africa. This shrub is used for medicinal purposes, and you can find it being grown outside houses, mainly in towns and also in villages, and it has a whole lot of benefits. And these herbs can be found in Gambia, Ghana, Nigeria, and also in Burkina Faso as well. So to make this our wonderful hair growth and length retention and moisture retention herbal recipe, we are going to be needing just 1 tablespoon of shebe powder. Shebe powder has a whole lot of benefits. Shebe powder helps to repair damaged hair. It also aids in length retention. Shebe powder reduces frizz. Shebe powder also helps to condition the hair. Shebe powder prevents split ends and also moisturizes the hair. Shebe powder also contains alkaloid, which helps to neutralize the pH of the hair shaft. And its moisturizing property is one of the best property ever that shebe powder has. It is moisturizing, and it allows the hair to do what? To grow and retain length. You are able to do what? To see that length, that growth that your hair has grown. Aside that too, shebe powder also helps to improve hair density and nourishes the hair follicle. So I've added hot water to the shebe powder, and I'm stirring it now like so. And I'm going to allow this to infuse for 24 hours before making use of it. But if you don't want to use the infusion method, you can as well use this second method, which is the boiling method. Here I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of shebe now into my pot, shebe powder into my pot now like so. You add your water in the pot and you place it on your stove, on your cooker or heater or whatever you're using, and then you stir it now thoroughly like so to mix very well, and then you turn off your stove and you cover it and allow it to do what? To boil. Allow this shebe powder to boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. Allow it to boil for about 20 to 25 minutes like so. So it's boiling now like so. Then after boiling, you allow it to cool down before you continue the other process. So you can either use any method. So here I've gone back to our infusion method. I've stirred it thoroughly, and then I'm going to cover it now like so and allow it to sit or infuse for 24 hours before using our African hair growth secret, which is our shebe powder for our hair growth and length retention. So this is after 24 hours of infusion, 24 hours of infusing our shebe powder. So I'm going to go ahead now to do what? To sieve it. Please do watch these parts thoroughly. Pay attention to these parts, because I'm going to be sieving it twice, and I'll be using different technique in sieving this shebe powder. Please watch this part. So at first I went ahead to use my sieve first to sieve off the shebe powder. So that's the residue we got. We're applying or pouring this residue in the plant inside my sand, and then you can use it to grow your plant. Whatever plant you are growing, you put it in your farm or whatever, it will help it to grow. So after using my sieve. Now I went ahead now to do second filtration method, which is the use of my what you can use your cheesecloth, or you use your wig cap. Here I'm using my wig cap now in order to get a very clean filtrate. I don't want any residue of shebe inside our shebe spray. So as you can see, we have little or no residue of shebe powder in our shebe spray or liquid that we have gotten. So here we are going to be, now I'm going to be adding or putting my shebe filtrate or shebe hairspray now into my applicator bottle like so. So shebe is very amazing when it comes to length retention and moisture retention. Shebe should be your go-to, and please endeavor to get the authentic shebe powder, because there are a lot of fake shebe powder out there. Please check. You can send me a DM at Afrolicious Mona on Instagram or Afro Mona on Instagram. I sell authentic shebe powder, and we deliver anywhere in the country. We can deliver to you. So do try out shebe powder. It has really been one of my go-to or secrets to length retention. Please note, shebe do not grow the hair, because it should not be applied on your scalp. I'm not going to be applying this on my scalp, but just on my hair. Shebe only aids in what? Moisture and length retention. So I went ahead now to add my rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil is amazing because it acts like minoxidil. It also helps to protect the hair and also strengthen our strands. Then I also add a tea tree. I added this tea tree essential oil due to what? Lice, to prevent any lice from infesting my hair. So that's why I added the tea tree essential oil. So now I'll be covering my shebe hairspray. Now these are wonderful hair growth secret from Africa. This is one of the best things that has ever happened to us in Africa. Shebe powder. Oh yeah. So I'm going to shake it now like so. And then please watch how I apply this shebe hair length retention or moisture retention spritz. So this is application time, because the way I apply this will be quite different from how I apply others. Please now watch. I'll spray it on my strands, but do not, no, do not apply it on your scalp. Do not. Powder is not meant for your scalp. Oh, it's only meant for your hair strands, please, because it can create or cause irritation on the scalp. So apply it mainly on your strands, because we are aiming at what? Length retention and moisture retention, which is what? On your hair shaft and not on your scalp. So this is just one ingredient. I bet you if you use this one ingredient, just one ingredient, do not wash it out. Use it at least 3 to 4 times in a week. 3 to 4 times in a week. Spray it on your hair and strand, and then I went ahead to seal it up with my carrot oil, which I'll be leaving a video to. I'll be leaving the video. You can click on the cards above to see how I made this carrot butter. This carrot butter has really been a go-to for me. So use it to seal up the moisture spray, which you have, the shebe hair spritz or spray which you have sprayed. So you can use your oil, you can use your shebe oil. I'll also leave a link on how I made my shebe oil as well. You can leave a link. I'll leave a link on that too, so you can watch it after watching this one. So then I'm gonna be twisting my hair now like so. So always leave your hair in a protective style or a low manipulation style, low manipulative hairstyle, if you really want to retain length. So now guys, please do well to try this shebe hair spritz. I bet you to help you retain so much length. And in my next video, I'll be sharing with you all 5 good ways in which you can use shebe for hair growth and length retention. Please do well to stick around. If you are not yet subscribed, please press the subscription button so you don't miss out on that video. 5 ways in which you can use shebe to grow your hair and also retain length.
If you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please do give this video a thumbs up. Please support me. It will help me greatly to grow my channel. So let me know your thoughts on Shebe. Have you ever tried Shebe in any way? You know that Shebe is the Cardian hair secret, one of the African hair growth secrets we have here in Africa. So if you've ever tried Shebe, how did you use it as an oil spray? How? So let me know in the comment section below if you're a Shebe gang or if you've never tried Shebe, and let me know why you don't like Shebe or why you like Shebe in the comment section. So thank you all so much for watching. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Until we see you again in our next video, stay blessed, stay fabulous, and stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye.